Hi, my name is Karishma Balamurugan, and I'm a student researcher at Amity Regional High School in Connecticut. Today, over 4.5 million pacemaker users worldwide depend on lithium-ion batteries, meaning every 5 to 10 years they spend $10,000 to $30,000 per replacement surgery, increase infection risk, build up scar tissue, and reduce their quality of life. Some patients receive their first pacemaker at 15 years old. That can mean 6 to 8 surgeries in a lifetime, not because their hearts failed, but because a battery did. And this extends beyond pacemakers, with 1.4 billion cochlear implant, 200 million continuous glucose, 130 million insulin pumps, and so much more batteries. Lithium-ion batteries take up to 100 years to fully decompose. They leak heavy metals, contribute to landfill fires, and carbon emissions. The implant industry is competing in a red ocean, incrementally improving batteries instead of eliminating them. But I am not here to add to the red ocean. So, I engineered the first hybrid wireless energy harvesting system combining focused ultrasound and ambient radio frequency waves to permanently power low energy implants. We generated an average of 53 microwatts, exceeding the 10 to 50 microwatts requirement for a standard pacemaker. Our key innovation is this circular pattern design. It tackles angular and transverse misalignment. Even if the external transducer shifts, multiple piezoelectric discs remain in optimal contact and maintain energy output. Under phantom tissue, our system recorded a temperature increase of just 1.8 degrees Celsius, under the NIH's strict 2-degree limit. Our design retained 92.8% of its power during angular misalignment testing. To ensure this power is delivered, we built a smart transverse misalignment app to guide the user, establishing independence. Uninterrupted energy, uninterrupted life. We eliminated battery replacement surgeries. We reduced lifetime healthcare costs and environmental waste. We raised sustainability, patient autonomy, and implant longevity. We created a hybrid ultrasound RF ecosystem the industry has never offered. The core market is the 4.5 million pacemaker users which current manufacturers target upon. The first tier includes patients who delay implantation due to surgical fears and financial constraints. The second tier includes the other low power implant users. These industries rely on disposable or replaceable batteries. The third tier includes the general public, those who use batteries for any cause. Our invention does not only cater to the core market, it is able to expand to the first, second, and third tier after further optimization. Our device has the potential to extend the battery life and replace certain appliances such as remotes and low power LEDs. Our prototype costs under $5 to manufacture, with biocompatible encapsulation and mass production projected costs under $150. We have demonstrated sufficient power generation, validated thermal safety, proven misalignment resilience, developed a working prototype, designed a companion interface. Next, biocompatible encapsulation and regulatory pathway mapping. Cost, risk, and waste. The current battery industry asks, how do we increase the longevity of batteries? I asked, what if they didn't exist at all? The future of implants should not be measured in years remaining. Instead, it should be measured on affordability, sustainability, and longevity. So let's stop replacing batteries through surgery and instead start replacing limits.